Hi there. So we are reviewing today the CCE sponge cloth. It is a Swedish style cellulose dishcloth. And I've been looking at these online for a while and I was like, maybe I should try that. So this is a 6-pack. These are the only 2 colors I had still in the package. The others went either next to my kitchen sink here at home or on the boat. So far, I like them. I don't love them. The texture is pretty good. They do seem to wipe up spills off the counter really well. It has cut down my use of paper towels just in the last, week or so that I've gotten these. Because they do tend to spray the counter and then wipe it down with a paper towel. So, but it came in like blue, green, was a multi-pack of colors. They're in all kinds of colors, designs, price points. This is one of the less expensive ones with no pattern on it, but you can get really pretty ones that have pictures and sayings and all kinds of good stuff on them. So with different brands, of course. So, all right. So if you're interested in trying these, I think it's a great alternative to a paper towel. And, every little bit we do helps our planet. So I'm in favor of these and helps keep your house clean. So, all right, links below if you're interested in purchasing these. Thanks.